Today on Let's Celebrate, it's all about us. Well, hello. Come on in. Let's celebrate. I'm your host, Peter Lee, and this is the very first episode of my new cooking show, Let's Celebrate. So a little bit about me first. Why not? My husband Phil and I live in the heart of southern New Jersey, where we have it all. We have farmlands, and we're close to cities, and we've got the Jersey Shore. But we live a very, very busy life, constantly on the go. Between our jobs and volunteering, and that to mention our kids and our grandkids, we're just never stop. But no matter how busy we get, we always find time to gather with our friends and family and spend that good time together. Now, how did this all come into being? This show was born because we entertain a lot. We constantly, weekly have people in. Now, sometimes it's just neighbors stopping by for snacks and a drink. Sometimes it's people stopping in for a casual dinner of pizza and beer. Or it might be a formal multi-course dinner party or a giant cocktail party. But we always find the time to do it. And after a lot of years of hearing, "Oh, I can't invite you over. I don't know how to cook. I can't entertain like you," we finally said enough of that, and we decided to do a YouTube show so that we can share all of that things that we've learned over the years and show everyone that you can do it too, and you can do it just like us. It's easy. So that's how Let's Celebrate was born, because after all, life is a celebration, and here in our house, we're going to celebrate. Speaking of our house, most of the filming is going to be done right here in my very own kitchen that we affectionately call LG Manor. But sometimes, because we're always on the go, you might find us in our travel trailer on a camping trip with our friends from Camas Campers here. Or you might find us in our outdoor kitchen in the mountains of upstate Pennsylvania at our seasonal campground here. Now, we're going to do things a little differently here at Let's Celebrate. Most cooking shows are a half hour or so, and you get 3 or 4 recipes and then a little summary at the end. We are going to have 1 recipe per episode. It's going to be just long enough for you to enjoy a glass of wine or your favorite beverage, and you can follow along easier. You'll be able to then search and find that recipe a lot easier when you want it, instead of having to try and remember what episode that was on and look through them all and all that fun stuff too. So 1 episode, 1 recipe, easy peasy. So that's it for us. We hope you'll come back and join us and come on over and let's celebrate. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Oh, right. So, we'll put an abbreviated version of the recipe in the YouTube comments section, as well as links to any of the products that we use. Full recipes details in this video can be found on our website, letscelebrate.tv. Ask us any questions and let us know what you think in the YouTube comment section. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss a single episode of Let's Celebrate. Cheers!